It's morning. It's 6:53. We just got some coffee. Trying to wake up for the day. What the heck? Hey guys, what's up? It's Audra. Welcome back to my channel. So basically all day I have just been working, and if you didn't know, I am still working from home and the date is June 17th. But yeah, so I've been working all day and I do social media and fun things like that. So yeah, that's basically what I've been doing all day. So I just did my makeup because I'm actually going to be going live pretty soon on the company that I work for's Instagram page, and I'm gonna be Elsa. I'm gonna take you guys along with me on that. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to just quickly update you guys and let you know what is going on. Also, big news. I just got my camera yesterday and it's amazing. I am so in love and I'm using it right now, obviously. Stay tuned for lots of exciting vlogs. I am so excited. I'm gonna be vlogging like non-stop. Okay guys, so I just got dressed into my Elsa costume and I'm just getting ready and making sure I have everything all planned out. Stuck up, Gus agreed. Now, Cinderella said gently. We do not talk to people like that. That is not very nice. Hey!
Hi!
Woo! So I'm all done with work for the day, and we are actually about to go to the beach. Got the good picture?
There's a literal rainbow from the light.
We're at the beach! Woo. Okay guys, so we are finally at the beach and we're about to get out and go walk around. And what else are we doing? Who cares? There are children that are just like watching us, but Brandon thinks it's so awkward, but like...
I think it's funny.
I'm honestly, oh my god, we just made eye contact for a second there. It's a little girl, she just keeps staring at me.
She's like, is that Audra Mae?
Oh my god. Anyways, so we just got here and it's so beautiful. Yeah, sure. It is so beautiful today. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's colder. The sand is like colder. Ooh, yes. Now we're in the sun. Look at all the girls. Hello. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Hello, friends. Oh my gosh. There's so many. Look at the flags over there. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. They're getting close. Actually, really close. I'm gonna walk away. Baby. Oh my god. Why are they so close to us? That was actually kind of scary. It's still kind of scary. I feel like they're gonna hit me on accident, like a blind one or something. Am I just being a scaredy cat right now? I'm kind of scared they might hit me. They're actually really close though. They were.
She's so happy.
Okay guys, well thank you so much for watching today's vlog, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!